Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. These two little things, everyone needs them. You know that gap next to your seat where you drop something and you can never get it back? I don't have that problem anymore because of these gap fillers for car seats. It is so nice. My biggest concern was that it would look really junky, but I have to say these are super nice. They are made of a polyurethane leather with a sponge interior, and they look great. Honestly, when these are in, they match our black interior perfectly, and they look like they came with the car. You don't give it a second thought. They're so easy to install. The little piece goes around your seatbelt buckle, and the rest you push down. The only thing I would say is at first I didn't push them down far enough, and so they did come up. So make sure you push it down far enough and get the seat kind of up and over it. It even would move back and forth when we adjust the seats. So now that they're in like they should be, they do not move at all. They're very durable, they're waterproof, and very easy to clean. You can just take them out, wash them down, and then stick them right back in just a few seconds. It fills a nice size gap, so there's lots of pressure, so it really does stay in place. This seems like such a simple product, but it is life-changing. Like I said, every car needs these because we've all dropped something down that little space. But if you get these, you will no longer have that problem and you will not even think about that gap ever again. But that's just my point of view.